want to sell such as like pencil, pen, school bag, and much other.
Hello, my name is Hasana. Every day I wake up early and pray to
Hi, is this your bag? No, it's not mine. My bag is always mine. So now we have the meat-eaters, herbivores like the tiger, the plant eaters, herbivores like the elephant, and the ones who eat both, omnivores. The creation of Allah about animals is so amazing. No, what is it? I have the 75,000 rupiah and I only made at the 75th birthday of Indonesia. Wow, it's very valuable for you, isn't it? Cool. Also, have you met presentation there? Yes, I certainly have. Oh, and my fine reporters about the town.
We may not see the result immediately, but every good deed we pay, kindness, prayer, charity, will grow in ways we cannot imagine. So, plant your seed today, a kind word, a helping hand, a sincere dua. Because in Allah's eyes, no good deed is ever